lovelies. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we're going to have an unboxing of the Boxy Charm Boxy Luxe June 2020 edition. If you're new to my channel, great for you to stop by, and I really appreciate you seeing the entire video, and a big like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell below to be notified of future videos. So anyways, here's a little box right here. Well, it's not so little, it's 3 pounds, and this, as I said, is June 2020. Oops, things are falling out. So anyways, let me open it up, and there it is. And here's like the little card that's inside. So let's jump. Here's the card that's inside, which I'm kind of shocked. It says Boxy Charm Oasis, and I have version 14. Right there it is. Let's see if you can get it in there, right there. And we have the card with everything that is part of this box in the description, which I'm like, finally. So let's jump in and let's talk about what we got. First thing I see is from Kylie Skin right here. Let me show you. Foaming wash gel. Foaming face wash, and this one is $24, and it says our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi sea oil packed with vitamins to help maintain moisture and improve your elasticity. This gentle formula helps to remove dirt and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. $24. Not too bad. You know, Kylie Cosmetics is pretty good, and it's coming up on its own. You know, and it's kind of, you know, a little expensive for a face wash, but I'm okay, and especially getting a coupon. So next up I have is from Tarte, right here. And the Tarte Pro, this has been out for a couple of years, and this one is $49 if I'm not mistaken. Prepare for an expression of explosion, being passionate about pigment. This sequel to the OG Pro palette came to play. So here's what the actual palette looks like. And there you are. Really pretty. You know, I really enjoy this. This was on sale at Sephora, I believe, or Ulta for $24. So just kind of put that in the thing. But right now, I just checked today, and it's backed up to 49 bucks. So this is a nice palette. I like Tarte. I don't have a problem with it. Charcoal brush set right here. And this is from Billion Dollar Brows. This vegan, cruelty-free and synthetic brushes are charcoal infused with an antibacterial effect, allowing the flawless makeup and eyeshadow. And this is $55. Look at that. There's a hair right there. That is just okay. We've got, you know, it all says this is a contour brush. Not too bad. This one is, let's see, this is a concealer brush right there. And then we have a highlighter brush. That's not too bad. It's nice and stiff, and it's nice and soft. And then we have the eyeshadow brush right there. And then here's the big guy, and this is the powder brush. So let's take this out and take a tour. So you can see it has a nice weighty handle. You see that it says Billion Dollar Eyebrows. Then it's very soft, but it's a little bit too, not, you know, really, it's nice and flexible, but I like it a little bit firmer for myself. It's not heavy. So this is a nice, you know, because you know I love brushes. You know, you got to switch them out every once in a while. So that is from Billion Dollar Brushes, and this is $55. So let me put them back in the box. And let me tell you, let me ask you, what do you think about these brushes? They're nice. Does everybody have any from, you know, Billion Dollar Brows? Because, you know, they're more of a, you know, the eyebrows and all that other stuff. But, you know, let me know how you feel. So next up I have is from Lily Lashes right here. And this is Triple mascara, an extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand. So here it is out of the box. And this is $24. So let's look at the, not bad. And this is in the color black. So you can always use that. So now that since I've opened it up, I've got the clock ticking. So that's a keeper. And you know what? A mascara is great. 24 bucks. Okay, I can deal with that. Then we have Smile Sciences right here. And this is a teeth whitening set. And it's a 2-pen pack whitening gel. You'll have your teeth whiter and brighter after just one use. This dual pen pack will last you all month, and it's $80. $80? I don't know how much, teeth whitening pens go, but okay. I just think it's kind of weird to put it into a deluxe box, premium box. I don't know. Then we have is In Touch of Soul, and this is a no problem Prime Essence. Prime Essence is for anyone taking their makeup to the next level. This formula is enhanced with flower extracts to minimize pores and smooth skin. So there we are. And it's doesn't have a safety seal on it, but thank goodness it has a screw top on it. And then we have Bodyography Lip Pencil Set, Pouty and Rosewood. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on your favorite, like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment, rich to color to fame, fill in and define lips. And this is $28. I'm not a big lip pencil person, but let's take a peek at these. So here's the colors. And then here's what they look like. The first one is Rosewood. It's a nice kind of like a Bordeaux-y kind of color. Goes on really nice. Didn't pull or drag or anything like that. And then the next one is Putty, which is this color. Here's what the actual color looks like. And let me put that on. That's really nice and soft. I like that color. So not too bad. Then the last thing in my box is Pure Heals by Nature. It's a sleeping mask. And this is $55. It's an enriched sleeping mask providing full nourishment and glowing skin to tired skin while sleeping. The extract forms a water oil protective barrier that soothes irritated skin. So here's the actual jar. And they do give you a little scooper for you, which I really appreciate. And it's dripping. Look at that. I mean, it's all outside the jar. And look at that. No protective sealant, no cover on it. Smells nice. It's okay. But kind of looks it's been around the block a bit. Inside kind of looks like it's spilled a little. So, okay. It's like you're getting stuff that kind of looks like it's been used or whatever. So anyways, this is my box for June 2020. And you know what? I'm not really thrilled with this box. But you know what? It's not the worst I've ever had. But do you think it's, I don't know. I just don't think its value is for me for $50 a month. I think I can, put it forth to other things. And you know what? I think I can't recommend this. If it's great for you and you enjoy it, go for it, enjoy it. But I'm not going to be renewing my subscription to this. You know, I'm not even getting it in PR, and I have no desire to, you know, to promote something that my heart's not into. So this is my last box, and it's time to say goodbye. So anyways, let me know what you got in your box and what you feel about Boxy Charm, Boxy Luxe, and make sure to do a like, subscribe, and don't forget the little bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a fabulous one. Take care. Bye-bye.